Now let's recreate the Alpha CRM database using PHP. Create a new script file by clicking the New button on Bluefish. Go to Snippets and paste the snippet project new PHP script file. Give it the name create.db alpha crm.php and the date. After the words this script, type creates the database Alpha CRM and press return to push the asterisk onto the next line. We may as well save this file straight away. It's going to have that name, so we can copy that with Control-C. Click Save. Control-V pastes the name into the name box and click Save. Now we know we have to connect to the database, so underneath the comment block, paste the snippet connect.db. Once again, this snippet will not require the database name because we're going to create it. We clearly can't select it if it's been deleted already. We won't need the selected variable, and success depends only on MySQL Connect being successful. So we don't want this DB selected if clause. So if DB is connected, then do nothing, else echo a failure and report that it's been false. In between the if DB success braces, paste the snippet SQL action queries create database. The database name we want to create is Alpha CRM. Mark all of this code and indent it so it's quite clear that it's between the braces. This code is almost identical to the drop database code that we wrote before. There is the drop database code. Here is our create database code, create DB Alpha CRM. Set the DB name, assign the value of the SQL statement that we want to create database dot DB name. If executing that query, create SQL, turns out to be true, in other words, executes successfully, report a success message to the browser. Otherwise, else report a failure message to the browser. Save the file. It's already got the name create.db alpha CRM, so simply save it. Now go to your browser. In a new tab, open up your bookmark localhost. Type at the end of localhost db.wip, remembering that this is case sensitive. And our two files, drop the database and create the database, are in this directory. It would be a good idea right now to bookmark this db.wip directory because we're going to be coming back to it frequently. I'll shift this bookmark, index of db.wip, into my PHP training folder so I know where it is. Now, clicking on create.db alpha crm.php will execute the PHP script in the browser. And we get the successful message, create database alpha CRM, which was our SQL statement, was successful. We probably need to verify that by going to PHP MyAdmin. It's not there, so we need to click on databases to refresh this page, and there it is. Alpha CRM has been successfully created.